Hello and good morning. It's Linda here, and it's about uh, oh 8:30 in the morning here in Northeast Texas, where I am, and the sun is shining, but it's supposed to rain later today. But anyway, it's shining now, and that just always makes me feel better. How about you? And it's getting a little warmer, and it's going to be up in the 70s today. So flowers are blooming, trees are budding, everything is just coming to life. And so did this little Bohemian style patchwork, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And I've got some projects in mind in the future to make with this Bohemian style patchwork slow stitching, because this would make gorgeous accessories like pockets, and you could cut it out, shapes out of it. And anyway, I have just a lot of things running around in my mind that I could do with more of these. I want to do some pot holders with this. I think that'd be so cool, and it would go so good in my kitchen area. I want to make some kind of something to go in my back porch stitching area that I'm trying to get coordinated and organized. And there's just so many uses for it. But anyway, I love it. I wanted to show you the finished piece. Now, I did a little tiny bit of embellishment. I did not do a lot. I put a little bit of a thread yarn on here, a couple pieces of little shiny ribbon, little confetti size pieces, and that was it, because I didn't really want to take it any further. It's really beautiful on its own. And remember, we just did this with snippet sized pieces of fabric. And so take some of your scraps, cut them down into workable pieces, and do this project. I guarantee you love it. It was so much fun stitching it, so relaxing. Just whatever thread I had, I used, just straight stitches all the way through, a running stitch when I could, just whatever. And so try that. Let me bring you up close just a little bit and let you actually see a little bit more of this. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love it, love it, love it. And I think you will too. Now, what am I going to do with this piece? You know what? I'm going to put this piece in my challenge book, my coffee table size challenge book project that we're doing here at Icky Chic this year. I'm going to put it in there. I love it. I want to keep it. And this first piece, I think it needs to go in my book. And so it's going to take up a page, and I'm just so pleased about that. And so that's where it's going to go. It's going to get an honorable page in my challenge book. So we'll see what that looks like when I get to that point. But I just wanted to show you the final so you have some idea where you might be headed with your piece, and some of the things that you can do with it. And if you dream up some more things to do with it, drop it in the comments. Everybody else would love to have some inspiration, including me. So thank you so much for being with me. Until next time, stay scrap happy.